Hi guys, I was totally inspired by this room here and I wanted to share some holiday tips for decorating. Hi guys, welcome back. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So in these pictures, I'm showing some of the colors that I found in the catalogs for this holiday season. You'll notice that it is consistent amongst most companies. When searching for holiday decor, keep these colors in mind because these are the colors that you'll find all of your holiday accessories in. For more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!